Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn useful classroom English sentences. Let's start. May I come in? May I go out? Open your book. Close your book. Sit down, please. Stand up. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Raise your hand. Write it down. Read the sentence. Speak louder, please. Don't make noise. Be quiet. Look at the board. Look at me. Do your homework. Time is over. Work in pairs. Work in groups. Any questions? I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Take out your notebook. Sharpen your pencil. Line up, please. Please sit quietly. Take your seat. Come to the board. Read loudly. Show me your homework. Keep your classroom clean. Put your bag away. Finish your work. Wait for your turn. Let's start the lesson. Keep silent. Listen to your teacher. Answer the question. Erase the board. Bring your notebook tomorrow. Please form a line. Write neatly. Clean your desk. Open your notebook. Check your answers. Turn the page. Stop talking. Come here. Good job. Class is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.